Motorola is introducing new ThinkPhone 25. Before go to review, friends subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. ThinkPhone 25 comes in a single carbon black color with an aramid fiber back, plastic frame, IP68 rating and MIL STD 810H certification. You get a 6.36 inches OLED touchscreen display with 1220 pixel resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate and Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. There the Dimensity 7300 chipset at the ham paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The back houses 3 cameras with a 50 megapixel main shooter using Sony's Lightyear 700C sensor with OIS. It is joined by a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto module and a 13 megapixel ultra wide lens. The battery comes in at 4310 mAh and features 68 watt wired and 15 watt wireless charging. ThinkPhone 25 brings deep integration with Lenovo PCs and Motorola tablets including automatic sync, shared keyboard and mouse, centralized notifications, and the ability to use the phone's main camera as a webcam. Motorola is offering B2B customers its Moto Device Manager, which gives IT departments remote device management. ThinkPhone 15 will be available from November at price of $552 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.